Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, welcome back to another video on how to set up a YouTube channel here in Nigeria. I have made some episode already regarding how you can choose your niche or the type of video that you want to make, and I walk you through how on different type of niches that you can definitely do on YouTube. So, yeah, on this episode, we're discussing about how to set up a YouTube channel. Yeah, the I have already choose my titles for the new YouTube channel, and I'll be hosting the channel on my existing account. But if you don't have an existing YouTube channel already, so I'll just advise you just go firstly visit youtube.com. Once you visit youtube.com, then you click on sign in. Once you click on sign in here, you'll be directed to log in your Gmail account. So you input your Gmail here. Once you input your Gmail, then you input your password, then you click on next or continue to log you in successfully. So once you log in successfully, you will see a page like this where you will be seeing your Gmail profile picture. Then just click on it. Then underneath you'll see a drop down list to where you can click on create a YouTube channel. But due to the fact that I'm using my existing account, so I'll just proceed from here, add or manage your channel. So once I click on here, I will see the channels that I've been managing. Then I can be able to create a new channel. So I click on here now. So I'll be choosing the name that I want to give to that channel. So I think I've forgotten shit. Load. Okay. I just designed the channel art for the new channel that I'm creating. So this is the art. Strong. Okay, I think it's loading. So I'll show you for the name. It's not that doesn't get to my brain yet. Okay, the business and financial acts. The business and financial acts. I have a lot of reasons why I've choose this kind of name, because the kind of video that I want to be doing on this channel will be definitely financial business and all this social media growth of the team. So that's why I choose this name for the channel. So then on the channel I won't be showing my face, only my voice will be available on the channel. Understand? So then I'll click on create here. Wow, I think I have to verify the channel. Okay, yup. Okay, so I have to input the number that I want to use for the channel. Sorry, 10, 7, 8. Okay, I'm not sure if the number will be available. Okay, it went through. Wow, 992. Okay, so yeah, I've verified the channel here. So okay, yeah, so yeah, here's the channel. Just create it now. Okay, so click on the customize channel. Okay, let me download this now, so that I think there's nothing I need to fix on the design. So sure, I don't know what's actually on the network, but sure I'll be able to get something done. So I want to download the thumbnail now. The channel art, sorry. Okay, I've downloaded the channel art. Then proceed here. Okay, click on the branding here. Let me input it and see what I've done so far. Yes, I think it's cool now. For TV, I'm having this for TV, then I'm having this for the desktop. I think it's okay now. Let me just done. And if I think there's anything to be fixed later in the future, so I'll definitely I can edit it back. So for this thumbnail, from this profile picture, I think um let's try. Okay, let me fix it up too. Let me fix it up too. Let me see the kind of picture I should just use. Let me check on Splash and see the type of picture I can use. Financial. I even get financial stuff. Sorry. Okay. So let me look for something perfect here to use as the profile picture. Something appealing. Should I just use this? No, this one contain it contains some Bitcoin everything, so maybe I should just okay. Let me check this. I think this is okay. Let me use this. The business and financial acts. Okay, this one I want to use for the profile. Really? I'm not seeing this though. Where do you locate? Okay, picture. Let me just try and edit it first because 99 or 98. 90 or 98. 98 over 98. Yeah, 98. Correct. So just end up and choose blah blah blah. It's kind of like blur, you know. Just manage and use this for some time so that you'll be able to see what I'm actually doing. So without wasting much of your time, then click on publish here. Okay, view channel. Okay, this is cool. Yes, this is cool. So let me check on the about so that I can edit or give it some touch and some keywords too. Okay, so settings, channel. Okay. So I think okay. Yeah. Then I need to add some keywords that are related to this channel. So financial business motivation. Let me check some related channel so that I can be able to gather some keywords to use for the channel. So best keywords for financial YouTube channels. I want to use channels. Okay, I think I should be able to get some ideas here. Okay, YouTube finance. I just want to get some ideas here so that I just gather everything together. Personal finance, personal finance, personal finance, business growth, making money online, what else? Freelancing, make money from home. Okay, I can just save it this way. I can still add more later in the future, but just not to waste much of the time, so you can actually see what I'm actually talking about. Okay, yeah. See, I think I still need to think. Okay, 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 so I think it's perfect now. Just remain the about page, what the channel is all about. So I can just check some competitors to see how they set up their own channel, so I just implement it the same way. Okay, financial growth, financial growth. I don't know, I just want to check on this to see if the about will definitely match what all the channel is all about. So yeah, YouTube channel, the place to go when you are looking for a new strategy, new idea, motivation, new business and life. Remember, strategy matter and passion goes. Okay, I think I can copy this. Okay, yeah, I can copy this, then come to check the customization, and then okay, here is the page. So the business and financial acts YouTube channel, the place to go when you are looking for a new strategy, new idea, and motivation in your business and life. Remember, strategy matters and passion rules. So new video every week. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. Okay. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Okay, perfect now. So click on publish. So the channel is okay now and it's verified. So the next thing is just to upload video. Next thing is just to upload videos to the channel. So I think I've done much on this, and everything was shown to you so that you can see what I'm actually doing. So then each stage or each place I click on, wow, I think you'll be able to see it from your end. So but if you have any question regarding this video, you can definitely drop a comment and I will attend to it and fix anything that I believe it's within my power to just fix it up for you. So then on the next video I'll be uploading, or I'll be doing a video then about this channel, the video I want to upload to this channel. So then I'll upload it and do a video on how I optimize the video with SEO, the keywords and everything. So I think that's the next step to do now. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment box and I'll be very much happy to reply. Thank you.